So here are the things that I received in my box. This wig cap right here is two-piece and it's a nice natural brown color. So I received that in the box, as well as the wig right here in this bag. It was protected and everything, and this is 14 inches, so I can know how long the bob is. It is straight here, and we are going to open it up, and I'm going to show you guys how the hair looks, the inside, the ends, and everything. So this is it straight out of the box, out of the bag, and I'm opening it up so that you can see how the construction on the inside looks. So you have 3 wig clips and 1 in the back. You have straps, 2 straps, and you have the lace portion right here. So this lace is like a light brown color, but I will eventually bleach it. And you can see there's tabs right here if you want to pull your hair back. As you can notice, the hair does have a red thread there, so I guess I will look around to see what else I can see on this hair. You can see that there's kind of like a two-tone. I don't know if that's because of the donor, but it's part of it looks black and part of it looks brown, as you can see right here. And this hair is straight. And you can see the ends right here. They're pretty good. Like, they're decent. They're blunt. They're not straight at all. So this is 14 inches. And let's look at the construction in the front of the lace. So I could say it's decent in terms of the hairline. It's not dense. It's not that dense. And let's see how it looks against this wig head. So I'm gonna pull it over, and you can see, yeah, the hairline is not that dense. It looks really natural. You can pluck it more to your liking if you would like. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm going to pin it onto my block head, and make sure that it is situated nicely against the block head, so that I can begin plucking the hairline and customizing it to my liking. And if you do want to see me do a customization video, thumbs up this video. If you do like this video, do subscribe. I will be having some more. This wig again is from Amazon. It is Halo wig. I will leave all the information about the wig down below in the description bar. And we are going to just pin this down, and I'm just gonna pull it back a little bit so that you can see how the hairline looks. I thought the hairline was good. Because of the density, it wasn't too high. It seemed like it's been pre-plucked a little bit, especially during that demarcation line back there. You can see where it starts to get dense, and then you can see in the front that it's not as dense. So yeah, it's not bad at all, and I'm just brushing it through just to get any knots out or any stray hairs out of it. And the hair looks good, but to me it can be better. The ends are lovely, as you can see. There's no ragged ends at all. It's fresh cut, trimmed, straight and blunt. And I'm just going to do a parting right here. As you can see, there is some flyaways in the parting area, so be mindful of that. And yeah, it looks really good, the hairline. I do see a blue thread in there, so I'm just gonna have to inspect it some more just to see if there's any more threads in there. But this is what it looks like after I plucked it. You can see it looks really nice. I bleached the knots as well, so it's perfect for making my hairline look natural and everything. And this is what it looks like on my head. I just add some foundation powder and use some of the got2b spray. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys until next time. Bye.